So I'm going to do the thing backwards. Hotel B&B, or B&B Hotels Benidorm, Fine Street, is where we've stayed. We've already done the room tour and the breakfast tour. The corridor, which I was going to do on the way out today, was absolutely rammed with people. Everyone must be leaving the same day by the looks of it. And to be fair, the corridors are quite dark. That your room number's illuminated, but they haven't got any excess lighting. You know, it's not super bright, so you've not really missed anything there. I would stay here again, 100%. And if I can get it for the price that we paid, which was mentioned earlier on, it'll be in the beginning of this vlog. I can't see why anyone else wouldn't either. It's been a bargain. Right, so we will do a room tour. We'll also do an outside of the hotel. We've actually really surprised. So, see if you can guess the room right. I will tell you, but see if you can guess the room right. So, decent sized TV. We're in Fine Street. We are near all the we're near the train station, super close to the train station, which is what we wanted, because we want to get the train to Benidorm, to Altea, right down the line. You actually booked 2 single beds anyway, didn't you? And they've joined them to the twin. Heating on the wall. We have got furniture rack, safe, a fridge. It's turned on, that's good. I'm going to look for dust bunnies in a minute, but I just want to show you the actual aesthetic of the place. But coming in, to be honest, we were really surprised, weren't we? Mm. The breakfast and whatnot, we've actually paid to have. We weren't going to have it. Hot Dove. And the shower gels. Shower mat there. We have got a hair. There's the thing about hair is long ladied. Right, it's in the shower. And there's three lady long hairs. Right, it's fine because I can deal with all this. I can sort these out. But the mirror, everything else is clean. Bin, empty. Toilet roll stacked. Clean toilet. See, the thing is as well with the Spanish, a lot of them have long hair. A lot of them have black hair and a lot of them wear their hair down, so I'm not overly surprised that I've found hair. And they sweep rather than hoover, so it's inevitable. Little desk station there. What's that? Oh, look, you can do your...
Yeah, I'm not sure how you do the heating. No, it's on 20 now.
Did you think you'd not turned it up?
No, it came up with like a ever clicker button. Like, yeah, click up. No.
Something about control central, maybe, I don't know. I'll have a look. Is 20 not hot enough?
No.
34. Right, so here is the big test. So I'm on the floor. Right, I haven't got my torch or anything out, but there is not any socks, debris or massive hairs in there. Oh, which bed are you having?
This one.
Right, let's have a look. Pillow, no hairs. I mean, you can tell they're freshly pressed. So if you have a hair in there, it's come from the linen. Have you found one? No. Oh, I literally thought you found one. They tuck them in so tight that I can't actually cope with it, but yeah, nothing. Nice clean laundry, nice clean bedding, so I'm going to sort that out. So I can't, and they haven't got any watch calls on them, those horrible throws and dodgy pillows, so that's a bonus. Right,
big TV.
Yeah, it's a decent sized TV, that, isn't it? Another mirror here. There's the aircon unit. So how much was the room? They had blackout curtains as well, so we'll see how well they work. How much was the room without breakfast first?
100
per night.
Three nights.
Bearing in mind we're staying a Thursday, Friday, Saturday, £100 for 3 nights for the pair of us.
Yes.
Right. Okay. And what did he just say the breakfast is worked out at?
£6.50
each. Right, and it's a buffet and all you can eat. Well, yeah, all you can eat obviously, and coffee and teas and blah blah blah. So we'll see what the breakfast is like tomorrow. We've only paid for 1 day though on that, haven't we? Just in case.
Oh yeah, he said you can pay again.
Yeah, I'm thinking as well. He did say, oh yes, coffees, yes, they're free. I'm thinking we might be able to just go and get a coffee.
No, it's not that.
What is it? What's it?
Don't know.
What's going on?
Have you got to put a code in?
Welcome home. Connect to.
Yeah, it's that.
Yeah, we don't actually know what's going on. Connect to your Wi-Fi. I think, are we just meant to scan this and it tells you how to use everything, maybe?
Yeah, I'm not too sure.
Well, look, it says you've got free, I can't say the word, free Chromecast to access your favourite apps from the TV. So Michael would be like, oh, we've got Netflix, blah, blah, blah. But for some reason that was ringing that bell.
Yeah, I think it's just to let you know it needs setting up.
Right, well that's fine. We'll have a look. They were surprised, didn't they? They thought we were checking out because it's like late. It's like, what time is it now? 10 to 1. Breakfast by 9.
Do you want to go get a coffee then?
Where's the plates? Right, well I like melon. We could do the Chelsea pudding.
Yeah, we need to make it tomorrow, don't we?
Yeah. Right, I'm gonna have some fruit. Have they?
Where'd you get the fruit from?
That machine at the end.
Where do you get speech from?
Don't know yet. I'll have a look. Do you want an apple or anything? Hola. Surname? 155. No, 115, that's the one. Sorry. To banana.
Yeah, where do you get the dark chocolate spread from?
Here. I'm sure I saw it here. Oh, that's alright.
Is that it? The original? No. That's different. It's that in it.
Well, put a bit on your plate. I'm not entirely sure, to be honest. Is that? Yeah.
Should have got like there's not much food here, but I mean, enough food for not a lot of people are getting it.
What's
You're
that?
doing the coffee, is that?
Yeah. Oh, that's tomatoes for your tostada.
Is it?
Anywhere, there's plenty of choice. Yeah. Oh, that was good. Oh, brill. They've got soy milk, so I can have a nice brew. Right, I'll have these first. Have you had any pastries? Because look, at the top there, they got them chocolate-filled ones you buy, next to the croissants.
Oh, I just had one of those.
Oh, have you?
I had one of those, croissant, 2 yogurts.
Did you have 2 pastries on your plate, did you? Oh, you didn't have a plate full of fruit, though, did you? To be fair, it's a continental breakfast that we don't normally actually bother with, but they've got a decent choice. I am going to put some toast on, and I am going to film the orange juice thing because that is cool. And normally when you're out, you pay quite a lot for those. If you get an orange juice like that, and having a soy milk, even better.